room while on a tripod to get you different exposures of that same view. The first thing you'll do is set your camera up to have a 2-second delay for the after the button push before it takes the first photo. That's just so you don't get any motion shake on that first image. Then you need to change your shooting mode from whatever it is. Here it's set to manual. We're going to set it to AV, and that means the f-stop mode. So we got to set it at f8, so it'll stay at f8 through all 5 images. The ISO will stay the same. It's going to change the time for each image to change the exposure. You go to the orange menu items, you go to number of bracketed shots, and we're going to set it up to 5. 5 is what my company uses. That's a great number of shots. Now we're going back to the red menus. The second page of the red menus is where you set the auto exposure bracketing. You're going to use the dial on top of your camera, and you're going to turn it 6 clicks. It moves 1/3 of a stop for each click, so 6 clicks will give you two f-stops, 2 stops of light between each exposure. So you go from -4, -2, 0, 2, and 4. So you're ready to go take photos now. Everything's set on your camera. It'll stay set for auto exposure bracketing until you turn the camera off. When you turn it back on, you'll need to go back to that menu item right there and take it to 5 exposures again, just like we just did. So now you're ready to push the button and take a photo. Here are the settings that we use. We use, obviously, the mode is the AV mode. We set it to 5 image bracket. We shoot at f8, ISO 200. Those settings will get you a great bracket, and the images will be blended together into an awesome, well-exposed image of each room that you capture. That's the first step in taking great real estate photography photos. Now you can go out there and practice, take a few images, and then we'll, in the next video, show you how to get these images edited and blended to your final deliverable photo. So happy shooting. We'll see you next time.